How to check current password on Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to explain about the topic that says how to check your current Facebook password. So here, I'll be honest with you, Facebook does not show your current password, but in this video, I'll show you the only correct ways to deal with this. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here with that, the important truth is Facebook never displays your current password for security reasons. So if you're looking inside settings, it's not possible. But don't worry, here is the thing you can do instead. So here method 1 is to check that if you are already logged in. So here if you are already logged into the Facebook, you can simply open the Facebook app and go to the profile picture, or you can simply tap on the three dash icon shown in the top left corner of the screen. And now from here you can simply scroll down and tap on settings and privacy. And now here under settings and privacy, just tap on settings. And now here once you are inside the settings section, just tap on see more in account center option. And now here once you're inside the account center, what you can do is just tap on password and security. And now here in this section, you'll see the option that says change password. So here, this confirms that you are logged in. So here what you can do is that if you have forgotten your current password, then you can simply tap on this option that says change password. And here you simply have to select your account, and after that on the next page what you can do is just tap on forgotten your password option. And with that, on the next page you can verify using email or phone number, and after that you can simply create a new password, and this will replace your old password instantly. And here once you have created a new password, what you can do is just go back and open the settings, and now from here you can simply scroll down and tap on Google. And now here once you're inside, what you can do is just tap on all service tab, and now here you can simply scroll down, and there you can simply tap on the option labeled as passkeys and devices. And now here in this section you can simply add a password, or you can even go to the autofill with Google, and there you can simply tap on Google Password Manager, and there you can simply add the password of the Facebook that you have recently created, and you can simply save it here. And that's it. That's the truth about checking your Facebook password in 2026. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.